Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy, the gaming guy. Today I'm going to be playing Outlaws once again. I have gone farther in it. Before I begin, please like and subscribe. Once we get to 50, I can go live, so subscribe please. This video will hopefully be shorter, not 30 minutes like my last one. The people who watch my video mostly are not subscribed, so yeah, hit that subscribe please. As you can see here, I'm going to buy a truck, okay? But not any truck. A certain type of truck. And that truck is probably going to be... Oh, come on, where is it? Okay, let me try and find this. Here it is. This is the truck I'm going to be buying. Tesla Cybertruck. Nice. I think this one is for some reason not electric. Let's go ahead and customize it. Why not put a nice front bumper on? There we go. Okay, what the heck? Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, I guess I'll just keep this maybe stock, actually. Sure, why not add that out? What the heck? No. How about these? Yes. Oh, wait, yeah, there we go. Actually, yeah, let's just keep those. I don't think we'll need one of these. I don't think we're gonna need a spoiler. Maybe actually. No. No need. Yeah, no, not that. But we can put a LED bar there. Where is that thing at? Oh, yep. There. Repair kit. Yep. Wait, why would it have these? It's an electric vehicle. Let's put a wrap on it. Sure, why not some flames? Oh. Can barely see those flames. Nope, wait. That's supposed to be on the back. Oh yeah, that's the one. Let's paint it black there. Yes. It's a pretty cool one, I would say. Actually, okay. I'd say it looks pretty well. I mean, good. Let's add some stripes. Actually, no, we don't need any. But what we can put on is this. Okay. Now, just on the other side. Oh, got a cough. Okay, now we're going to put some brand logos on. Why is that upside down? Put this here. Ah, dang, you can't put stickers up there. Well, that sucks. Now, time to put why not put a comp sticker on? Comp cans. They can sponsor me if they want, I don't care. Anyone will. I would appreciate if anyone sponsors me. Comment on my video and say what you would like to sponsor me on, if you are a sponsor. Why not put Summer Racing, one of my favorite car equipment brand. And in the back, let's put Nitrous Express Systems. Then, Drag Illustrated. Another Summer Racing. Why not? Let's put a for some reason this is a not an electric car in the game, but in real life it is. I don't understand why they didn't make electric. Simpson. Okay. I guess we could put one of these. Actually, hold up. Holly Effie. First. Now, let's put that there. this car will actually be highly equipped. Let's put a... What sticker should I put here? Dang it. Can't. Oh well. It looks good enough. I'd say it's pretty well. Looks pretty good. A month or two ago I had COVID-19, so I'm still recovering from the sick. Now, on suspension on the back. Oh wait, that didn't work. Time to put a wheel slip all the way up. It's a goofy car looking. Gonna want to travel all the way up. Stiffness about that. Dampen all the way up. Axis without their stiffness. Okay, let's get down to this. Oh, shoot. Sure, not. Why not? Let's just put the stiffness all the way up. I can't fine tune right now. Rear steering, damping, axis without, shock size. Sure, why not? And that's I already did that. Let's see how about Sling Flex is like this. I think that works pretty well, actually. Not too bad. Yeah, it looks pretty well. I'd say let's just set this part up. Oh, wait. Upgrades. Upgrading power. Full a grip, some nice Mickey Thompson tires. Wait. How about I just install this part here? Well, actually, no, I don't need a blower. They're not that well. But I can install turbo for this. NOS, and then we're going to add, hold on. Okay, we're going to add, the game froze. Oh, wait, there we go. Now, so, that was weird. I don't know what was happening. Let's go and set this up. Oh, wait, did I, no, I did not. Go to tuning, dyno run. Oh my god. Well, it broke that. Run a dyno. Okay, well, that sounds broken. And it's not even working right. Oh my god. What the heck? Why is it doing that? I'll just buy a perfect tuning. There we go. All good. Alright. Let's go to the desert for this. I'm eating a burger right now. Yum. Okay, so we're all loaded in. Let's get this going. It's kind of laggy. Oh god. Yeah. That glitched out pretty bad. Okay. Wee! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wee! Oh my god. Jeez. Come on. Oh, it didn't work. Oh my god. Whee! Holy crap. This car is kind of insane. Elon Musk would approve. Oh my god. Come on, and we. What the heck? I can control while I'm in the air? That's weird. Ah. 360. Yeah. I'm launching this thing. I think they're going down here. I guess I'll return to my vehicle. We're gonna go all the way up. There we go. We might be able to go over this. No, we can't. But if you do go up high enough, you can. Is that guy with the drone still there? Bro, I have no idea. Come on. Dang, this is a massive drone. You can't go in the back of it. That'd be cool though. Oh. Man, this is pretty. Man. Wait, there's water in this desert? Wait, can the drone go in it? I'm curious about that. Also, if you want to download this game, it's on the Google Play Store. You can download it for free. My drone can go in the water. Wait, what? Wouldn't that break it? Plus, you wouldn't be able to move out of it, so yeah. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, check out my channel. There's a video that was supposed to be a YouTube short, but it didn't work, so that video is, if you go like it, I will drive around a car map once for every like. So for example, if I get 100 likes on that video, I'm gonna have to drive around that car map 100 times. Yeah, I'm going to have if I get enough subscribers, I'll do a live stream of it too. But thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next vid.